Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Files app and tapping Browse. This is where iOS centralizes downloads. Once done, scan on my iPhone and iCloud Drive for Downloads folder. Make sure you also open the Google app that saved the file, Chrome, or Gmail, because some downloads live in the app until you export them. This step ensures you find the file source and confirms whether iOS moved the file into Files. Once you locate the Downloads folder, tap a file to preview it. If you don't see it, immediately use Search or Sort by date. Make sure to long press any file to reveal Share, Move, or Delete options. Share lets you save to another folder or send to an app. If the file is still in Chrome or Gmail, open the app, locate the download history, and choose Save to Files so iOS keeps a copy where Files can manage it. To finish, move downloads into an organized folder so you can find them later. Drag or use Move to create a clear structure. If a download failed, go back to the Google app and retry. Network hiccups often block saves, so reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-download. If files can't save from Chrome or Gmail, open Settings, allow the app permission to access files, then try again. This permission step fixes most invisible download problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.